So, a question that a lot of people gonna have is, should I buy Call of Duty Blackout because I liked PUBG or Battle Royale for $60 minimum? That's quite a blow right to the coin purse. And that's a good question. That's definitely a good question. And my answer to that is, if you like PUBG the way it is, you always liked PUBG with all the unoptimizations and any glitches that may exist, you've learned to play around that. You don't mind the slower gameplay. In fact, maybe you thrive on the slower gameplay, the more drawn out. Then I would say probably gonna want to stick with PUBG. Unless you're somebody that likes the faster paced action of some of the AAA shooter games like Call of Duty, Battlefield 1, things like that. Now, if you always liked the concept of PUBG, but you never got into PUBG because the unoptimization, wicked, nasty, is glitchy, and that you don't like the slower drawn out style, and then I would say, and you always like the concept, but you just wish it was delivered in a AAA title optimization, then I would say you definitely gonna want to check out Call of Duty 4 Blackout. Hands down, you're gonna want to check that out because it is just so smooth, so much smoother than PUBG. Now, I would say PUBG has a little better texture detail, but we haven't seen the final release of Blackout. So as a result, I cannot comment on what the intricacies will be on final release. But in the beta, things like the blades of grass, and the trees, and detailed as some of the PUBG grass blowing in the wind, trees. However, the buildings were more textured and detailed. The water spraying up on the viewport, particularly when you fly the helicopter and you hover it over the water, it's very detailed. It took me aback. I was surprised to see that. That was such an interesting aspect that I was not anticipating. Things like that, in-depth shit. Blackout has the fastest style. So for a summary, I'm gonna send you over to Dick.
Alright, what are we looking at here? We're looking at a battle royale. So we're looking at a battle royale now. We're looking at a battle royale. We got a battle royale. We got looting. Plenty of looting. Can't have a battle royale without looting. What else do we got? We got vehicles. We got stake bed trucks. We got four-wheelers. We got helicopters. We got motorboats. That's what was available in the beta. We'll see what they have in the final release. What else do we got? We got zombies. Everybody knows you can't have a battle royale without looting and zombies. What else? We gotta beat the blue zone before we get hit with fallout. We got breaking and entering. What the heck was that? We got all of this culminating into this craziness. Hilltop sniping, backyard brawls, street firefights, deep water diving, helicopter driving. What did we think of all of it? Oh yeah. Let's pop the cork on this one, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen.